Hello and welcome everyone. We are Group 1 Airlines and this is the final report of our airline. Our accumulated profit margin 23.4% and we are the most profitable second airline and our implemented business model is low cost carrying. And let's look at our airline. Our business model is low cost carrying as I said and we carrying on the economy classes and we carrying just the luggage only as extra services. Our full compensation we use the Airbus 320 families we use 16 Airbuses. And let's look at the network and bases. Our primary base in Madrid, we established in Madrid, and our second base in Bremen, and we use the Istanbul Ege Airport as a hub connection point, and we services 87 low-cost carrier sectors. And let's look at the accumulated profit margin. We are the second most profitable airline in the game, as I said, and there are one more airline doing better than, and there are other airlines is around the zeros and minuses, so we are good at it. And let's look at the accumulated carbon dioxide emission as a ton, and it's looking bad, but in the game we are the most flighted airline, so the emission is good for us. And let's look at the quarter performance and the profit margin, load factor, and OTP. On the OTP, we are in the every batch we are in the 90s is good, and in the load factor we start with the 60s and are improve ourselves, and we are final the game in the 70s. And the profit margin we started in the batch one is a very bad is -2. Then we got our lesson and we are doing bad. And the acclimated side we finished the game in the 73%. Now my friend Karen will continue.
Okay, thank you for information. Let's look the route profitable analysis. As you can see, these are the most profitable routes, and these are the worst routes that we found in the results. Now let's talk about the CO2 emission evolution. As you can see, each batch is increasing because we are trying to fly to everywhere we can find by looking at the load factors, and these are the batch around batches. The it's 0.8% if you look the average. Now let's talk about what worked well in these eight batches. The single type is worked well for us, and the Madrid and Bremen base, which included a high loss factor at the end, and the on-time performance was quite good on us, and the low-cost discipline, and we are the second most profitable airline. Also, our cargo expansion worked well in the end. So let's look what could have been differently. We could have done earlier route optimization and also a smoother cargo ramp up because we started at the batch 6, and it's it's challenging us to learn we need to do in the cargo side, and we could have done the emission management better. But at the end, we are the second best airline, and we are happy with our results. Thank you for listening.